Are you looking for a car dash cameras? In this video, I will show you the 5 best car dash cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Garmin Dashcam Mini. Built-in Bluetooth technology and Wi-Fi connectivity let you upload saved footage to your compatible smartphone running the Garmin Drive app. The Garmin Drive app is your convenient solution to view, edit, and share your dashcam footage. If you use multiple Garmin dashcams to capture video in front of or behind your vehicle, the app uses Dashcam AutoSync to set up a network and sync recordings among the cameras. That way, if there is an incident, you can easily see the footage captured from multiple viewpoints. The 4th product on the list is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Car key-size dash camera mounts discreetly behind the rearview mirror and goes virtually unnoticed, automatically records and saves video of incidents. Wide 140-degree lens records 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp detail day and night. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. Tiny camera, huge protection. The car key-sized Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 with voice control automatically records 1080p video and provides discreet eyewitness incident detection. The 3rd product on the list is the Viofo A129 Pro Duo. Use a high-quality supercapacitor to ensure a more stable power and longer lifetime. This supercapacitor ensures the excellent performance of the dashcam from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit in extreme hot summer and cold winter. With a high-quality Sony Starvis 8MP sensor, a 129 Pro dashboard camera record the road 2560p 4K 30 frames per second and rear 1080p 2K 30 frames per second. Super clear video recording both day and night for an amazing user experience. Automatically detect a sudden shake or collision both while driving and parking, can be set to 3 types of sensitivity, high, medium, and low. When there is vibration, the current video will be locked immediately to protect the file from being overwritten in the loop recording. The 2nd product on the list is the Thinkware U1000. The U1000 is Thinkware's newest flagship model that delivers sharp native 4K video quality and boasts a comprehensive driver assistance warning system to help keep drivers safe on the road. Utilizing the Super Night Vision technology, the U1000 can record impressive videos in low-light environments such as dark roads and dim parking lots. The video resolution can also be downgraded from 4K at 30 frames per second down to 2K at 60 frames per second for smoother videos and making license plate reading a breeze. The 1st product on the list is the Veritek C500 DVR. Mini dashcam with 1080p at 30 fps for full HD video and picture quality that captures colorful, clear, sharp details of cars, street signs, and license plates. Screenshot function to capture these images quickly and easily. Get great video and pictures even at night or in any dark and low light situations. Wide-angle 140-degree car camera lens captures large intersections without added distortion. Car security feature records video when vibration or movements are detected. G-sensor allows for emergency recording in an event of an accident. The footage is safe, secured, and cannot be overwritten. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.